Okay, so nakikita nyo, and that's very important when you lose a tooth teeth. No? Make sure that you put in uh, denture right away. Denture na ba ang tawag nun kahit isa o dalawa? Kasi ang alam ko denture is a set of. So that when you chew, that artificial teeth would not irritate, but well, it would signal your gum or your bone there that that area is still being used. So what happens is when you lose your teeth and you didn't do anything, what happens is that the body signals, this part signals that it's not being used. So when you don't use it, if your body needs, let's say, some minerals, it will get it from your bones.
Exactly.
So ito yung tinatawag nating resorption. This is clearly a case of resorbed bones. Na-resorb na. Kaya alam niyo, habang tumatanda kayo na hindi, wala kayong pustis, ano nangyayari na kumutin pag kasi nauubos yung putin niya. Just like this one, halos naubos yung kanyang puto sa
Ay, ganun.
I have a story that's really fits what you just said about the body will try to get that mineral. Because I had, not anymore, but I had hyperparathyroidism.
Okay.
The parathyroid, there was a little tumor. It's always benign usually, but there was a tumor on one of the parathyroids, and their job is to get calcium from the foods that we eat. So I had the history of kidney stones all the time. Not because I eat the wrong things or I don't drink enough water, but I was having all these kidney stones. I've had about 30 kidney stones. Well, they found what happens if you have this hyperparathyroidism. Since their job is to get calcium from the food, and I'm not, and it's not functioning properly because of the tumor. What it was doing, it was taking calcium out of my bones to replace the natural calcium that I'm supposed to get. But since it's not natural, when that calcium from my bones goes through the kidney, that's where it lodges and creates kidney stones because your body can't process that kind of calcium from your bones. So I don't have that problem anymore. But
so anyway, this is what you call resorption. So yan yung nung katawan natin. Yung arthritis, arthro is what? The joint, no? Joint. Arthropod, joint, legs. And itis is
Inflammation.
inflammation or irritation. So irritation of the joint. And that's simply what? Losing the cartilaginous protection of your joints. So when you say joints, especially the movable ones, and I think it has also something to do with nutrition. When you lose the cartilaginous protection, you expose the cortical bones.
May genetic cases.
Siguro, no? And of course, human activities too, and of course, so cultural and nutrition. So yun yung, and sometimes it can also be pathological. So there are cases where you have infections in the joints that would damage your cartilaginous protection. So because the cartilage usually ano yan, hard, but at the same time really slippery. madulas.
Cushion like a cushion.
Yeah. So, anyway, so yung synovial fluid is the lubricant. And it becomes slippery or sliding because of the structure of the cartilage. And of course, well, the next time you eat chicken bones or pork legs or look at the bones and you know I love to chew the end of it, especially the cartilage. Magkaiba itong cartilage na ito. Let's say if you eat the cartilage of the carina of the parang yung evolutionary counterpart of our sternum, yung dulo nung sa chicken, it's cartilaginous, no? But it's not well the same chemical. Okay, what else?
Pag
So-
namatay ka, sir, ano ba yun? Hindi mawawala na yung intervertebrate.
Lahat yan mawawala.
I mean, pag mag-excavate, hindi yan na-recover.
Really?
So yan, artificial.
No. Ito, yes.
Sir, di ko meron cases kung kunwari sa ribs, yung sa sternal end, meron mga nagiging hindi gamit for sizing.
Pag hindi pa masyadong, pag matagal na, there is actually practically no fossilization of the cartilaginous ends of the costal ribs. And then, not unless yung cave burials na cool and then there's a mummification. So, kung may mummification, you might expect that it would be preserved. But for the countless of skeletons we have excavated in Batangas, in Bahia, we haven't seen any that able to retain the intervertebral disc of the vertebrae. So yun yung nor the hyoid. But we got lucky once. I have a skeleton from Batangas that we found a hyoid. Ang ano naman kasi sa Batanes, it's just like in Kapul or in Bahia, the soil is corally, so high, the soil is not acidic, so there was a preservation. So we actually dug and